pound, and we had a very good setup from last week. I mean, last week our buying point was the 142.17 and 141.27, and it took us 200 points, 200 pips above this point. So this is uh, an excellent entry, and we should, this is a big breakout, so we should be looking for continuation to the upside. And in this case, we closed above the second structure point, which is the 143.97, and we are now 144.16, so we should be already long right now. The next structure point is the 145.35. Okay, so we'll find the buying point from where we are at now, and so we'll guess we'll take it above the high of the day, and the high of the day is 144.40, so it's 30 pips from now, so our buying point is going to be 144.40. Zero. And you can see from the radar screen here that if you're looking at all the pairs for the pound pairs, you could see that the pound Swiss is the one from by the radar screen, the 17, which is the strongest, and now we got 160 pips to the upside on that. That is again why the pound Swiss, even from last week, you got most of the 200 or 300 pips that we had from last week trades primarily on Friday. So we should be looking for it to continue higher. So we'll buy it above the 144.40, and we need to place our stop right here below the 143.83. So our stop is going to be 143.83, and on the short side, that's it. I mean, there is no this is tricky. I mean, there is a structure point here, which is the 143.97. We can take that as a short, and the structure is the 141.27. Okay, so we will sell it on the short side below 143.97, and the next structure below that is the 141.27. Okay, so the short, we're going to short it below 143.97, and our structure short, this is 145, and our structure short now is the 141.27. Okay, and our short stop is going to be right above the short entry because we're not going to give it too much room. Okay, so for the pound Swiss, we're going to buy it above 144.40, and if we do, we have a structure point above that, which is the 145.35, and if we do buy it, we're going to place our stop below 143.83, so we're risking about 50-60 pips on that, and that's typical pound Swiss. On the short side, we're going to go short below the 143.97, and we have a structure short of the 141.27, and our stop is going to be pretty much our entry point. Okay, that is the pound Swiss.